IFT, we're committed to inspiring the next generation of engineers.
This is the third year that we've actually been here with our group of students who are interested in the world of engineering. They get to actually see so many different technologies in one place that it's just an amazing experience for them. I think it just gives them a much better overall feel of what engineering's about and all the different areas that they can go into. It's all about actually finding that spark of interest, something that they can kind of grasp hold of and think, ooh, maybe that's something I could do in the future.
Amazing the technical complexity that goes into making FT wind sensors. Really put forward the best that the UK industry can do.
I've really enjoyed what we've done here today. It's been really fun and we've looked at all the various disciplines within engineering.
Amazing.